Welcome to our video lecture. We are continuing our lecture series on website tools. Assume that when you are working with web application traffic, you will frequently notice content that is encoded for obfuscation or functionality reasons. Website Decoder allows request and response content to be decoded or encoded as needed. Website Decoder provides a platform for both encoding and decoding content when interacting with a web application. This tool is extremely useful because various types of encoding are frequently used across the web for handling and obfuscation reasons. Additionally, the Smart Decode tool examines any given input for null patterns or signatures in order to determine the type of encoding that has been applied to the content and then decodes it. In this lecture, we will discuss how to encode and decode content using Website Decoder tool. Let's encode and decode using Website Decoder. In this lab demonstration, I am using BWAP web application. Let's open up BWAP. Choose the bug as base64 encoding and submit. Here you can see that secret cookie. Now highlight the desired string, right click on it and then select Send to Decoder. As you see in the decoder, value of the cookie parameter is sent to the decoder. By clicking on the Smart Decode button, now select the encoding base 64 and decodes it in the field below where the encoded text was originally entered. You can see that text is decoded as any BUS3M %2F. Here you can see that last three characters as URL encoder, so select %2F and choose URL option. Here you can see it is decoded. If website is unable to determine the type of encoding used, manual decoding can be performed for multiple different types of encoding to include URL, HTML, base64, ASCII hex, and so on. A decoder can also be used to encode strings. Okay, that's all about decoder. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you in next lecture.